simula ano pa lang ng mga music videos before, talaga nag-prepare na kami from body conditioning to our mental, I mean mindsetting na towards the concert. So masasabi ko, that has been the biggest preparation we've ever had for a concert. So, ngayon, masasabi ko, ready na kami sumama sa stage, pero we're still, trying to do the finishing touches. And siguro yung mga major talaga, ako personally yung mindset. Kasi, syempre, for us, hindi lang naman, it's not just a performance, but an experience nga for the fans, di ba? Kung paano namin paghahandaan yung ganun kadaming crowd and 2-day concert, na syempre gusto namin maibigay sa kanila yung 2 days best concert experience of their lives. So yun lang yung talaga yung and of course, ayan, ito, si Ken, ito lahat, may gym lahat yan.
Sila lang? Ikaw yung may abs so hindi na? Ganon? Hindi ka nag-gym?
Pero it's something na talagang lahat ko talagang piniprepare namin. As in, even from our mental and to our physical, ginagawa talaga namin siya ng way para ready na kami, even the stamina, kasi sabi nga ni Stay, walang hingahan. So ayun, basta gusto lang talaga namin maibigay yung best, and masasabi ko to, ito talaga yung pinaka, siguro, natin, prime form ng SB19.